In today's digital world, organizations generate millions of system logs, alerts, and security events every day. Looking at these events one at a time often doesn't tell you very much. That's where event correlation comes in. Event correlation is a digital forensic technique that connects related events occurring within a specific period of time to reveal the bigger picture. Instead of treating each log entry or security alert as an isolated event, investigators look at how multiple events relate to one another. This helps answer important questions such as when an incident started, how it unfolded, where it spread, and what ultimately caused it. For example, a single failed login attempt isn't unusual, but hundreds of failed login attempts across multiple servers, followed by a successful login, privilege escalation, and large data transfers within a few minutes, may indicate a coordinated cyber attack. Event correlation links those seemingly unrelated activities together so investigators can reconstruct the entire incident. Modern cybersecurity systems use several advanced techniques to perform this analysis. Graph-based correlation maps the relationships between devices, servers, applications, and users, making it easier to identify where a failure or attack originated and how it spread through the network. Bayesian correlation applies probability and statistics to predict what is most likely happening based on previous events and can even estimate an attacker's next move. Neural network-based correlation uses artificial intelligence to detect unusual patterns that traditional rule-based systems might miss, making it particularly useful for identifying sophisticated or previously unseen cyber threats. Before these systems analyze the data, they usually perform several processing steps. They combine duplicate events into a single record, filter out irrelevant information, suppress secondary alerts caused by the same incident, and then distinguish between symptom events, which are the visible consequences, and root cause events, which are the original source of the problem. This greatly reduces the amount of noise investigators have to deal with and allows them to focus on the events that truly matter. Although event correlation is an extremely powerful tool, it is not a replacement for human judgment. Automated systems can generate false positives, miss important context, or incorrectly link unrelated events. Investigators must review the results, validate the evidence, and determine whether the conclusions actually make sense. Technology can identify patterns, but experienced investigators are still responsible for interpreting those patterns and making the final decisions. Ultimately, event correlation allows investigators to connect thousands or even millions of digital events into a single, understandable story. By identifying relationships between logs, alerts, and system activities, investigators can reconstruct complex incidents far more quickly, identify the true root cause, and respond more effectively to cyber threats.